In this tutorial, we will see that how you can unlink EA account on Steam in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you can search for EA. Search it and open its official website of EA games. After opening it, on right upper side you will see here this profile button. Click on that and simply sign in with your account. Sign in. So after signing in, again click on that profile icon and open account settings from here. Then you will be on this about me. If you scroll a bit more, you will see here this connections. You have to open it and here you will see the list of the accounts that you can link with EA account. Here it's showing this Steam. You can simply unlink it from here by just clicking on that button. Then we'll send a verification code to your email account. In order to unlink your EA account, click on that send security code and then you have to open your email and type the security code that you will receive. Click on this submit and here you will see this unlink your account. Click on that I understand and wish to continue. Click on that unlink and our account is unlinked now. So that's how you can unlink EA account on Steam in just few easy steps.